am gonna make a reaction thing in 3, 2, 1.
Gangle was too OP for Fortnite. If you notice that in the Digital Circus trailer for Fortnite, they spent a lot of time humiliating Gangle. Well, I started thinking about it more than I should have. Well, what if I told you that this makes sense? In Fortnite, specifically the competitive version, the skins used are special, almost always female. Aww. And it's not because everyone is a diva. It's just that the female skin is usually much smaller than the male one and therefore covers less of the screen. That's the key, it covers less, there's more vision. And now think about Gangle. There are like 6 strips that would be on the screen, and if you're a normal person, it doesn't seem like a big deal. But seriously, in the competitive version, every stupidity counts. We would have an FNCS of pure Gangle. It would be a legendary event in the history of this game.
Going. I'm gonna give. Wait, stop scrolling. Wait, stop scrolling. I'm gonna give away 5 Garamas to lucky viewers. All you gotta do is land on the Garama and remix this video showing proof, and you enter giveaway. The 5 most viewed videos using this sound in the next 2 weeks wins.
Dame un grr.
Yo tengo una ranita que si oye musiquita, ella baila meneando suavecito la colita y brinca por un lado y brinca para el otro y se mueve con un ritmo bien sabroso, se empieza a media loca.
Could kinetic sand stop a bullet? I've got 80 pounds of kinetic sand here, and I'm gonna shoot it with higher and higher caliber bullets all the way up to a 50 cal and see what it can stop. Good luck, Fred. Starting out with a 22. At the bullet entered right here, nothing out the back of the first bin. Fred's fine. Next up, 9 mil. All right, the bullet entered right here, out the back of the first container, stopped in the second. Next up, 45 ACP. All right, the bullet came in right here, came out the first bin, stopped in the second. And we found our bullet right here. Moving up to the revolver, shooting around a 44 Magnum. All right, the bullet came in.
This is
Around
my
a 44
favorite
Magnum.
gun, by the way.
All right, the bullet came in right here, came out the first, bounced off the second, and landed right here. Moving up to the Desert Eagle, shooting around a 50 AE. All right, the bullet came in right here, and it stopped in the middle of the first bin. Moving up to the AR, shooting around a 223. All right, the bullet entered right here, and it got stopped in the first bin. Fred's still okay. Moving up to the 12 gauge, shooting a slug. Woo! Yes! All right, the slug slammed into the first container, blew sand everywhere, and landed right here. Moving up to the AK-47, shooting around a 7.62 by 39.
This is the last.
Our bullet entered right here, but did not come out the back. Fred's still fine. Moving up to the Gold Scar, shooting around a 308. Firing. The round entered right here and stopped in the first container. Next up, we got the 30-06. Firing. All right, the bullet entered right here, and it did not make it out the back. We just dug up all of the shards that were stuck in the first bin right here. Last up, we got the 50 cal.
That's also sniper.
Art, the 50 cal sent sand everywhere. It split our first 2 bins in half, but it did not make it to the third. Fred survives.
Thanks for watching. Bye.